Kasorkar Meghalaya Kalastang ban pentrai kam ya kilat kelenti jongka teknologi ban weng ya kajenge hakapule puthi kam tame hakijaka nong kendong ka beduna ka internet ban pendap ya kane kajingduna kasorkar kalashim ya kilat kelenti ban penyar ya kajing pendan kam ya ki mobile bat ka internet hakeleng kajala menteri katanat kapule puthi uraka me sangma ulo ongba kumsi benta ban penthamai da kasorkar kajing thumu kalong ban pendrung ya ki QR code na kabenta ki subject bakongsan kum ka social science ka mathematics kabla sedang nadu ka por pule ban wan ban yarap ye ki samla pule ban yo ya ka jing pen shai bat ka jing pen bet ki jing kli exam ki basuk
the textbook especially the English mathematics, science and SST will be having a QR code. We are planning to roll out from next academic session, so where all the topics will be conceptual, briefing and teaching, video teaching will be there, and all the questions will be solved, both of the board exam as well as the textbook questions and all. So I'm to say that I think, if I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, so about 90%, 80 to 90% of the Meghalaya's different districts, the schools are covered with internet now. I think there's should not be any issue when it comes to the internet and mobile connectivity. I'm sure, because my constituency is one of the worst what you call the area in terms of connectivity. But I'm happy today. 90% of my constituency are well connected with the internet and mobile connectivity now. So I think I'm sure this should not be any problem anymore now. But as you said, yes, we have identified certain districts specifically where the performance of us and students is not doing well, especially in the board examination. This is SSLC and SSLC examination. So we have prepared a special attention to launch certain program in the CM Impact program from the Education Department. We're reaching out to every district with a mission, so that, and also we have adopted different policies to bring up the pass percentage in the upcoming board examinations.